racks till my leg get numb. Nigga so broke, these nigga bums. A whole think that a nigga cuff and she dumb. 19, grown hoes, don't believe a nigga young. Fucking hoes, I'm swearing I don't know where they from. Let me welcome you here to the city of guns. And robbers and killers, my city get done. She crazy, the Glock 23 got a drum. 392, slide the bumblebee, play you get stoned.
Brand new scat, cost the same as a court. Hold on. As y'all see, man, it's your boy SRTJD back with another banger. We in the 101 scat, man. Having a super good day. A lot of my mods that I was telling y'all about in my last video, they here. So my 5-inch tips, man. My diffuser came. That one didn't fit. But I know why it didn't fit. But we got another diffuser on the way, man, so I ain't tripping. I bought 3 diffusers for this car. 3 diffusers. Just think about how much money that is. 3 diffusers. Alright. But yeah, man, I got my new oil catch can on. I got my rock guards on from ZL1 add-ons. And I'm finna go pick up my 5-inch tips and put them on today. And that's really what this video gonna be about. Before we even get into this video, man, shout out to all my supporters from TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I really been trying to grow my TikTok and use TikTok to grow my YouTube. So it's been working so far. You know what I'm saying? TikTok just a great platform to like really grow or get seen with whatever you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? But hey, all these parts did come in, but man, I ordered even more parts yesterday. The Scat will be pushing like 520 horsepower with these new mods that got on the way. So now we get into the engine work. We making the car faster. So we finna break. We definitely busting 500 easy right now. I'm not even counting the exhaust. I'm not even counting the exhaust and the little small stuff as horsepower, but I'm talking about real mods that's finna add power. So we definitely finna break 500. It's about to be crazy, man. This is about to be a crazy scat. I told y'all when I got this car, I was going crazy. This is, you know what I'm saying? No exaggeration. We really finna go ham. I need some gas. I need to go pick up my tips. And I gotta put the tips on. So y'all, I'm finna bring y'all with me. I ain't got no cameraman today, so I'm recording all this myself, so y'all ain't gonna be able to see everything like I want y'all to. But y'all know I'm gonna show y'all as much as I can while trying to still do the work. So it's gonna be cool, man. So as y'all see, I got the box, but I don't know what's up with CARVEN. They got this stuff wrapped up like it's gold or something. I'm just trying to get my tips out here. They got staples all in it and everything. Okay, here we go. Yes, sir, ski. CARVEN 5-inch black tips, dog. Y'all see what's going on. We finna put these on the Scatty, man. Let me put it back in here though. I ain't gonna lie to them. Shot with CARVEN though. You see how professional they packaging is, bro? I like that. My tips ain't getting messed up, you know what I'm saying? That's perfect. Alright, so right now we finna go install these tips. And yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all the before and after with the stupid little bitty tips that Dodge put on. So tip number 1, man. Be careful when you bring your car in here, cause I just pulled in here and you see it's like a hill. And not straight right here, because y'all know my car lowered. And then I tried to put it on the lift so I could just do the exhaust up in the air. But like right here, let me show y'all, like right here. I'm trying to see where the mark at. I can't see it. Oh, right here. Right there, this part was sitting on my skirt. So I got this under there like this. But then when I was lifting it, my car was sitting on this, like kind of where you see this line there right here. So I was like, nah, I ain't even gonna lift it up because I don't want to tear my side skirt up. So I'm just gonna have to do this exhaust on the ground. Well, I'm just gonna get under there, take the tip off, and put these on, man. So you got the 5-inch tips, and it's an easy mod. I really don't need a lift anyway, but yeah. So I'm gonna get that on, man, and take these ugly tips off. But this the before. As y'all see, tips super small, they chrome. And we're finna put the black 5-inch tips on. So as y'all see, man, I got the clamp loose right here. right here. Let me see right here. I got that loose, and on both sides. And then now, just turn it. Boom. Just that easy, man. So this the old tip. So you get the other one off. Oh, snap. Dang. Okay, I caught it, man. Alright. That's how I see the difference in size. So this is a 3-inch chrome, but I think it's 3.5. And this is the 5-inch. Look way better. Noticeable difference, man, you know what I'm saying? So, out with the old and with the new. I really need to run that junk just like this, though, for real. Nah, I'm just playing, man. I never do that. But yeah, man, 5-inch tips. So man, the tips ain't on yet. Well, they on, but they not tightened up. I can still move them. This one sat in perfect, man. I'm not gonna lie. This one sat in super perfect. This one, I gotta make sure I do it the right way when I put it in there. But let me show y'all where I be rubbing it. So when I told y'all I was rubbing, this is why. Cause ever since I lowered my car, it's just low, bro. It's a low life, bro. But nah, I gotta start rubbing for real, cause I ain't trying to mess these pipes up. But that's cool. If I mess these up, I'm going catless mid pipe, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all see me straight pipe, man. Straight pipe. So straight pipe right there. Straight pipe all the way back with the 5-inch tips, man. And I'm gonna tighten this one up. And then tighten this one up. This one wanna sit all stupid. It's all good, we're gonna get it right. And then we in there. All right, man, so as y'all see, man, we got the tips on. I wish I could have recorded the process, cause we had the left one went on perfectly. The right one, we had to take it off like 4 times and put it back on just to make sure it wasn't sitting on my diffuser, cause you gotta make sure you get, like, you don't want it to melt the diffuser or nothing. So as you see, it's still barely clearing. It's clearing, you know what I'm saying? It's barely clearing, but it's clearing. So at first it was almost sitting on it, and you don't want it to be like that. But these tips look way better, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. See them 5-inch black tips, man. It's a big difference, man. Details matter a lot with these cars, bro. You know what I'm saying? So that's done. My diffuser is on the way. Yeah, man, the scatter almost complete, man. Y'all see I got my rock guards on. Put those on yesterday. So yeah. They look way better. They give it a more aggressive look. I'm telling you, details, man. Focus on the details. Hey, I'm really a goat at this car stuff, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at this, bro. These tips go crazy. But yeah, man, let me get up out of here. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. I mean, y'all see where I'm at with the gas. 15 miles till E, man. I'm gonna get some gas actually after I get done with this video. But let me show y'all these tips. Close that. Show y'all how they look, man. The tips look so much better, bro. So much better. This one look. I really wish I could turn it a little bit. I can't even tighten it up, but it don't look too bad, man. It look pretty good. So this one actually stick out a little bit more than that one, because when they did my exhaust, I guess the pipe that they welded on there was a little bit longer. But you barely noticed that, man. I just didn't want my tips sticking out like super far. Like, it's some charges I see, and their exhaust tips be like all the way out here, bro. And I'm like, nah, like, I don't want my exhaust tips sitting that far out. Even on my Mustang, my exhaust tips sat super far out. I ain't really like that. So this don't look too bad, you know what I'm saying? It's noticeable. I like that, man. It's just so clean, bro. Check out the scat, man. 1 of 1. Look at the black. I waxed it like a couple days ago and I washed it yesterday. So y'all know that black look like a mirror right now. But yeah, man. We really turned up with the scatty, man. What's Z01? Jeez. But yeah, man, y'all see the scat, man. Going crazy. Just wait till my diffuser get here. I'm waiting on my diffuser and my other little mods that I bought. Oh, let me show y'all the catch can, cause I ain't even show y'all that since I put it on. Show y'all this catch can. So y'all know we had to get the catch can in red. I still gotta paint my my engine cover, so I want the letters and the lines red. So it's gonna be black and red. The red catch can. The intake I want to buy. I don't know if I want to buy the all red one or the black one with the red filter. And then I got some high performance coil packs that's gonna go right here. They actually orange, so that's gonna kind of throw it off, but hey man, it's gonna look way better, make the car perform better, so I ain't tripping over that. But yeah, man, that's my catch can brand, UPR. Yeah, I see it got Hemi life up under there, man, but I'm about to go get some gas right quick. Now I cut the camera back on after I get some gas. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all know we got that Super Plus 93. Look at this, bro. This don't make no sense, dog. For real. I ain't even tripping, man. Stopped at $90. But I gotta pump it all the way to 90 though, just because of my OCD, so. Okay, yeah, that's full. Look, we got the gas leaking out the pump. But yeah, man, y'all see how much it take to fill up a Scatty. And that's oh snap. Okay, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. There's premium gas too, man. You gotta put 93 in here. None of that little fake gas. $90, bro. That don't make no sense, man. So yeah, if y'all want to buy a Scat, you see how much it costs to fill it up. So yeah, man, I done got gas, ran all my errands for the day, put the 5-inch tips on. Yeah, man, that's pretty much the end of this video. I'm gonna keep it coming with the vlogs. I need to find another car meet, bro. I haven't been to a car meet in a minute. It ain't that many out here for real. If they are, they like super far. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep bringing y'all content. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep making these videos as mods come in. The next mod, I guess big mod that I'll be doing is putting on the high performance coil packs. They add like 30 horses, so I'm gonna get a before and after video on that. But that's probably gonna. I had to ship it to the state. I had to ship it home in the States and then get it shipped here. Get my mom to send it to me, so that probably ain't gonna be here for about another month maybe. That'll probably be the last thing I do. That's guaranteed gonna be the last thing I do before I send my car back to the United States. I'm done buying parts for this car, man. It's too much money. This car just draining me, boy. Nah, it's worth it though, man. Y'all know I enjoy doing this. So yeah, man. But that's I gotta get my front splitter on too. But yeah, man, y'all gonna see it. Y'all know I'm coming back with the vlog. I'm coming with the vlogs a lot, or at least trying to. Like I said, give me ideas in the comments, cause y'all know, man, it's hard to get ideas out here. It's hard to get videos. I feel like I done did everything. It's all good, man. I'm gonna keep it coming. Just keep supporting, keep watching, man. Share this video. Yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all boys on the next one. SRTJD out.